Crepe Buritto that we make is a play on a burrito. And what we do is we have the fresh batter that we pour onto the large round crepe griddle. You spread it with the crepe twirler, that's the tool, the twirler. Cook the crepe, flip it, and then fill it with a blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, a nice soft cooked sweet potato flesh, nice spicy cooked black beans on third, and then fresh scallions topped with a cilantro crema. Fold it, stays on the griddle to get nice and warm, then we flip it. Make sure that the cheese is melted and the sweet potatoes are nice and warm, and we serve it.